Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at a pair of affordable and very popular on-ear Bluetooth headphones. Despite being over 2 years old at this point, I had a hard time finding them because they were often sold out. So of course I wanted to see what all the fuss was about. These are the Marshall Major 5. Enjoy! The Major 5 came out in 2024, so they're not the newest headphones on the market. At launch, the MSRP was around €150 or $150, but nowadays you can commonly find them for 90 to $100, which I'd consider pretty affordable, especially nowadays. Let me start by saying that aesthetically, I find them absolutely gorgeous. Of course this is a matter of taste, but the textured faux leather exterior, the rubberized Marshall logo, and the infinitely adjustable headband just feel and look really nice to me. They come in various colors as well, if you have a preference. Marshall advertises them as rugged headphones, and I'll admit they're pretty solid for the price. That said, there are a few plastic parts that don't exactly inspire confidence, like this folding mechanism. Still, I'd say the build quality is good overall. The headphones collapse into a tiny package that you can even fit in a deep jacket pocket. They weigh in at around 170-175 grams, which is practically nothing for a pair of headphones. Naturally, this low weight helps with comfort during long listening sessions. The headphones have an internal microphone for taking calls and using your voice assistant. They sound okay, just like every other headphone mic out there. Nothing to write home about. As these are on-ear headphones, they don't cover your entire ear, which comes with both pros and cons. For example, they don't have active noise cancellation and sound will both bleed out and in. But on the flip side, this design allows them to be as small and light as they are. Some on-ear headphones have a very tight headband, leaving an imprint on your ears that can get painful. Thankfully, the headband here is loose and highly adjustable, which helps a bit, but after 2 hours or so of use, I start to feel some discomfort. The ear cups, while stylish, hurt a bit too, but your mileage may vary. And if you ever need to replace the ear cups, they twist off very easily. I'd like to take a moment to mention that this isn't a big tech review channel. Everything I review is something I bought for my own personal use and with my own money. I simply enjoy sharing my thoughts with people who are considering a purchase and want an opinion from someone who wasn't provided the product for free. I predominantly use these headphones at work, which is where their arguably biggest selling point comes in: battery life. Marshall claims you can listen for over 100 hours on a full charge, which is frankly insane. When I first got them, I charged them to 100% and I've been using them without recharging for a couple of days now. I've just reached 77% as of the making of this video, and after around maybe 24 hours of use. Make of that what you will. For me, the battery life is easily enough to last me an entire week. They also support both fast charging and wireless charging, giving you up to 15 hours of playtime on just a 15-minute charge. But you need to bring your own charger, as the package doesn't include a charging brick, just a short USB-C to USB-C cable. Unfortunately, there's also no carry case or even just a little fabric bag included either. What you will find though is something much cooler, a beautiful 3.5 to 3.5mm aux cable, because yes, these headphones can be used wired as well. That's fantastic news. The aux jack is not the only great feature the headphones have to offer. One of my favorite aspects of the Major 5 is this metal thumbstick on the right ear cup, which functions as a power button, pause button, volume controls, and you can skip songs as well. All reachable with a single input device that is very responsive and works flawlessly with gloves, which was important for me. On the left ear cup, there's a customizable multifunction button. By default, it's set to use Spotify Tap, which essentially just opens the Spotify app on your phone and plays a recommended song. You can also press it multiple times to shuffle through songs until you find something that you like. To customize the button, you will need to download the Marshall Bluetooth app. The implementation is alright, all things considered. You'll get a 5-band EQ with a bunch of presets, and most interestingly, battery saving options. For example, you can reduce the charge speed or limit the charge to 90% to help with battery longevity. That's a great feature that should be way more common in my opinion. The headphones sound very good straight out of the box. Marshall claims that they have the Marshall signature sound, which to me sounds like a slight boost on the low end and a more substantial boost in the mids, making instruments pop out very noticeably. Vocals, however, disappear a little bit into the background, which I didn't like that much. Unsurprisingly, rock and electronic music sounds good in particular with the signature sound, but there's no harm experimenting with the EQ to find your preferred sound. The 40mm drivers of the Major 5 offer decent clarity, and the Bluetooth 5.3 connection didn't give me any problems whatsoever. It also supports multi-point connection, which I use to switch seamlessly between my computer and my phone. When watching videos, I noticed only minimal latency. In summary, the Marshall Major 5 are solid headphones for the price. At around 100 euros, they offer good value. Durable, portable, and with outstanding battery life. They fit my needs perfectly as a middle ground between my earbuds and my larger over-ear headphones. The sound is good and the controls are practical. The on-ear design isn't the most comfortable for long sessions, but it's a fair trade-off. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or just want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching, and if you made it this far, maybe give this video a thumbs up as well and check out my other headphone reviews. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.